In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, I am going to continue to show you how to fly the Space Shuttle. Yes, I'm going to show you how to fly all of this, but we're going to start with the navigation system. And also, at the end of this video, we are going to have my special on the latest book that I wrote on how to fly the Space Shuttle. It actually tells you about flying the instruments. All those videos that I'm making, I put that into book form so you can see it later. So you will be able to buy that book, or actually not buy it, just get it for free since you are a member. But if you're not a member, there will also be a way for you to get the book. But besides that, we are going to explain the next important instrument on the primary flight display in the shuttle. And if you click on it, it takes you to the primary flight display. Now, you come down here, we're going to go into the flight instrument menu. We're going to work on this, the MEDS message reset button. And when you click on that button, it takes you to the MEDS message reset button. And as you can see, the MEDS reset button here, it's in a blue color, a cyan, means it's not been selected yet on the panel. But when you select it, this edge key operation is single stroke keys and clears the multifunction electronic display system, or the MEDS, fault messages line. So what you're going to do is, if you have any faults, you are going to erase them so other faults can, if they pop up, that they will be predominant in the display. So that's what this key is going to do. And it seems it's really short, small, really quick, but this is very important when you have issues with the multifunction electric display system faults, because there are several screens and several things can come up. So it's good to be able to reset that message and be ready for the next one that comes up, even if it is that same message coming up again. So if you are a paying subscriber or a free subscriber, we are going to go into the schematics here of the Space Shuttle to explain a little bit more on how this works. So if you are a paying or free member, and free doesn't cost a dime, you sign up. I'll have the link down below here, and you'll be able to join us and get a free description of how that button works. And when you click on it, it takes you to our schematics. We're going to come back up here a little bit so it's not that confusing, but we're working here with the keyboard, and that's part of the system in the schematics, how it comes into the integrated display processor and for the multifunctional display. So here are the multifunctional display unit with the buttons, and it's part of this part right here, SPI. That is what we're going to do, but I'm going to go a little bit deeper for you. So what we are doing is we have the IDP and the CRT, and we have that here, and all of these. This is you have the keyboard inputs, and then right next to it you have the controls here. That is where the MEDS reset button, that's where it lives. So when you click that, you're clearing out the ID. Well, you're resetting the IDP. You're not clearing it out. It's still there, but it's cleared off the screen. So if that function, if it comes up again or something else important comes up, this IDP will show that again. And as you can see, that's also for flight critical information, as well as the other data that is happening with the shuttle. So that is what we have for you this week. And if we go back, if you are a paying subscriber, we're going to go a little bit deeper into this message vault. So if you are a paying subscriber and now it's $5, but I do have a special. I have for the 56th anniversary, I still have a few of the 56 slots left, and the 56th anniversary is for the 56th anniversary of Apollo 11. So hurry up, get 20% off when you sign up on that. Otherwise, it's $5 a month, which is like going to Starbucks. So if you are a paying member and you click on Schematics, my latest book is free, Flying the Space Shuttle. It is free for until August 5th, so you'd better hurry. And what I'm going to do is basically teach you how to fly the space shuttle. You can read a sample here if you would like, or if you want, you can just get it for free. Read it for free. That's right. Nothing is what it will cost you. And then all I ask is at the end, if you wouldn't mind giving me a review if you like it, and rate it on stars, 5 being the best. So all this for one more day. Just download it, view it, and tell me what you think.